In the upcoming 15 years, 400 mid-sized cities will exhibit more growth than the combined growth of developed and largest emerging market megacities. It will constitute more than 40% of the global economic growth. Overall, the world's economy will be experiencing a substantial growth. Tangible is a strategic development and private investment firm partnering to build businesses with flexible capital solutions across various industries and situations. Interested, invested, involved in you. Tangible. We deliver. Tangible offers a broad, diversified suite of partnership programs which are spread across risk and return strategies, all to help entrepreneurs seize market opportunities. Our program includes a complete range of investment and restructuring solutions. Our partnership means both the implementation of restructuring and investment solutions. Our investments focus on small and medium-sized businesses, which invested in improving 6 major sectors: real estate development, energy, healthcare, education, hospitality, manufacturing. Tangible aims to make a difference, not through future predictions, but through tangible deliverables. We are investors, owners, and operators of small, large, and growing projects and companies. Tangible's success and expansion goes back to having local teams on the ground in each country we operate in, through which Tangible were able to access opportunities that a lot of other firms did not even see. We continue to invest capital and deploy experts in these sectors across the regions of GCC, Turkey, and Europe. With our hands-on approach, Tangible help companies grow rapidly, and we remain the entrepreneur's partner throughout the journey. We don't only offer capital, but we also devise a comprehensive strategy. Tangible's success is based on 2 fundamentals: collaboration and partnership. This is all we do. Don't expect us to deal with you traditionally. Tangible will collaborate with you in creating a plan, executing it, and meeting the better and prosperous future. Think as big as you can, and most importantly, move. Tangible is a global firm, but also a local firm. In the regions of GCC, Europe, and Turkey. Tangible. We deliver.